Hey, Mr. Lerno, I want to make a video about baseball.
Ooh, classy topic. So, what is this video going to be about?
About how baseball was invented.
Okay, that's a good topic. Now, this question directly leads into, what we're going to talk about today, and that's going to be editing. More specifically, how to edit and make YouTube shorts. So, let's get started. And today I'm going to be using Clipchamp. For me, Clipchamp has been the world. I use it to edit all my videos. I use it to edit so many other stuff. It is really easy and it's just amazing. So, one of the first things to do is, especially, you need to realize, am I going to make a YouTube long form video or am I going to make YouTube shorts? So, I'm going to change the aspect ratio here for the size to a vertical form. It should be about 9:16. Okay, so we're gonna do that. Okay, yeah. All right. Now, what do we do in a YouTube short? What do you see in a YouTube short? You see images. You have a voiceover. So we're gonna add all that. And the first thing is images.
So we can just take pictures from any site, right?
No, remember there are copyright laws, people, and so one of the sites I use is Pixabay, and and this is all free. It's royalty free, and it's definitely not it's not illegal. So I'm gonna search up baseball, right? And this is about how baseball, how what like how baseball was invented. So I'm gonna take I'm gonna look at all these images. I like this image to start our whole thing off. And so just like that, we're just gonna keep getting images and images, and we're just gonna put it in our video. So, guess I can't get that image. So I'm gonna take this one, gonna copy it. Yes, I'm on a Mac. This is how I do it, and I'm gonna put it into our video here with a nice Command V. It's gonna, yeah, there you go. So this is how our video is going to start, and obviously you want to resize these images. You want to make it look good. What would you watch on a screen? So I'm going to resize this, crop and resize it real quick. And if it's not a good image, don't use it. Just don't. So in this case, this is definitely not fitting for us. So we're going to go back here. We're going to find another image that can actually fit for us and look good at the same time. And so we're going to start our video by placing these images. And we're going to put image by image by image, and we're going to talk about how baseball was invented. So this is what, if you're editing right now, if you're using this video to edit, I'm going to speed this up now and add as many baseball images as I can, and I'll get back to you after I do that. All right, so now I added 36 seconds worth of images, and obviously you can see the 36 right here, and yeah. So I want to remind you real quick that, yeah, this is a test video, so it's random images, but make sure, especially if you want to enhance your content, if you want to get more views, make sure you pick the correct images, okay? The correct images for the when someone is saying something for the voiceover. If someone's saying, and there was this one guy named like Shohei Otani, and he hit 500 home runs in a season. You want to have an image of a home run while you're saying that. That's how you enhance your content. But that is for another video. Right now, we are just talking about editing. So now, when you're making YouTube short, you have images, and then you have something called a voiceover.
But I wanted to make this video without my voice.
Right. So in Clipchamp, that's actually possible. You actually don't need to put your voice for this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press here, okay, and I'm going to go to record and create. Now, when I go to record and create, there's something called text to speech here. So that's what I'm going to press, okay? And in your text to speech, you can choose a different voice. I love Andrew Multilingual, and this is what I do. There's add pause features. Now we need the text. Now, if you're trying to do this, like have a perfect video with a perfect thing, you would probably write the text, you would research it. But for this purpose, I'm going to go to chatgpt.com and I'm going to ask ChatGPT, create me a YouTube short that talks about that. What are we doing right now again?
Baseball.
What about it? Like, what are we trying to
About
accomplish?
how baseball was invented.
Right. So create me a YouTube short that tells the world how baseball was invented and make it 36 seconds. So this is what I'm going to do. And I do not want to, so I'm just going to ask it, just give me the script. No time. Stamp. I forgot the stamp. Right. So now you're going to copy paste this and you're going to go here and we're going to press save. Now it's going to take like 10 to 15 seconds to generate the voice, the text to speech, put it in. But this is where editing comes in after. So let's just wait here. There you go. So right now you can see it's 44.28 seconds, which means it went over. Okay. So this is where you're going to start extending images. Now, when you're making your real video, you would probably extend the images where it talks about it. Like I said, voice, image together. That's how you make a very, very good video. But for this case, I'm just going to expand the last image here and I'm going to make it go all the way to the end. It'll just be another 8 seconds. No one wants to see this. Trust me, no one wants to see one image pop up on screen for 8 seconds. If it relates to it, if it doesn't relate to it, no one wants to see that. So I'm just doing it to show you how to edit. There you go. So now you got your image and your voiceover lined up. But what are we missing now? So in some of the best videos, you always have a sound, a nice royalty-free music down a little bit, just hiding, but it's hearable. So now we're gonna add sound.
So from what I learned until now, I can't just take any sound from any site, right?
Correct. I also use Pixabay for what sounds I'm gonna do. So here I go. Open this tab up. Okay, pixabay.com/music, and then you're probably just gonna choose all the music that you want. You know, you're gonna listen to all this, but I'm just gonna choose one here. Hopefully, you should rest with what we're doing. So I'm gonna download this. Okay, so now that I downloaded it, I'm gonna come back here and I'm gonna import media. I'm going to blur all my media right here or just take this out. Okay, so now we have our music right here. So we are going to drag this to the bottom, right? And now again, like in a normal video, you would probably choose the best sound. What I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna cut it at whatever it at 48 seconds. You can see it's going to a minute 56. No one wants to just hear, I mean, in a YouTube Shorts video, no one wants to just listen to music with nothing on the screen. So yeah, probably come out of this a little. So there you go. I'm gonna go all the way here. I'm gonna align it with this. So there you have it. But remember, the sound can't be playing at the same audio level as the transcript. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the volume of this just a little bit down. And while you're publishing this video, you'd probably experiment with it. So Okay, so we're gonna come back to this and we're going to watch this video. Well, what is this thing missing? Captions. Almost us, like so many, the majority of the people watch YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels or TikTok without without the sound on. So in Clipchamp, you can generate captions with AI, and it's perfect. So now we're just gonna have to wait. It's gonna generate captions. It's gonna put it on the screen, and we're gonna have the perfect video. Hey guys, so I was just editing this video and I figured out that the final recording is not there and it wasn't recorded. I accidentally hit pause on the video, but there is no step after that. So you guys are completely fine. That is all the steps. Thank you for watching and subscribe.